Hi guys, in this video we're going to cover plotting parabola using the vertex method. So in this instance we don't have two intercepts to plot, but using the information in this equation here we can plot the vertex and from there plot the rest of the parabola. In this equation we don't have an intercept in the x-axis, but we do have a number in the brackets, and that number in the brackets is impacting on our x value. In fact, we're taking our current x value anywhere on the graph and we're going to be shifting it horizontally. That's what those numbers in the brackets do. And so when we have a -2, it's in fact shifting our graph to the right towards the positive direction. And if it was a positive, a +2 in this instance in the brackets, then it would actually shift our parabola to the left towards the negatives. Now we have a constant outside of our brackets as well. So once we've done the inside of the brackets and we've squared it, we're then adding on a constant value, or we could also be taking away a constant value. And so that number that's outside of the brackets is going to be shifting our parabola up and down. So in this case with the +3, it's going to shift the vertex 3 up. Now these shifts occur relative to the origin on our graph, the 0, 0 point. So in fact, when we look at the equation at the top here, we have a horizontal shift from 0, 0, 2 to the right, and we also have a vertical shift from that x-axis up. So if I just shift twice here and then up here, we have a vertex occurring up here for our parabola. From there, we can, if we have no number in front of the brackets, so there's no stretch on a parabola, just follow the usual pattern for a parabola, which is 1 across and then 1 up, and then 1 across and then 3 up, and then 1 across 5 up, 1 across 7, and so on, starting at the vertex. If, however, we had a negative in front of our equation, then of course it's the same pattern, 1, 3, 5, 7, but it's going to go down. So I'm going to treat this one as a negative parabola. So I'd go 1 across, 1 down, 1 across, 3 down, 1 across, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, which will be off here. And because it's symmetrical, I can of course just plot these points in here. And after that, it's just a matter of making a nice smooth turn, doing your best to hit all the points that you've marked out. It's quite hard to do on this tablet. So just take your time. Now when it's getting marked, they're going to be looking for a nice smooth curve at your vertex. Try not to make a V shape. They're going to be checking any intercepts that you've made, and they're looking for a nice smooth line. So we just carry that one down to where we imagine the next point would be.